I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you suspect fraud on your American Express account, disputing the charges online is straightforward. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Transactions section to view your recent charges. This will help you identify any unauthorized transactions. Step 3. Select the fraudulent charge. Find the specific charge you want to dispute. Click on it to view more details. Make sure it's not a legitimate transaction you forgot about. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling out the required information, review your dispute and submit it. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Remember to keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your dispute. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. Good luck!